Yun talaga. Hanggang hawak lang po si Ate Panmoy at baka tingin tayo, tingin tayo. Oh, hawak lang, hawak. Oh, I like blue color also. This one is so cute. Sexy, sexy style. Ganda. Oh, hawak lang, hawak lang. Huwag bibili. Control, control. Mindset, control. Don't buy. High self, control. Don't buy. Oh, ganda ng kulay. I like the scarf. I like lang, hawak lang. Hawak lang. Hanggang hawak lang, ha? Oh, hanggang hawak ka lang. Hanggang tingin-tingin lang. Okay? Busugin mo lang yung mata mo. No need to buy anything because you have already lots of clothes. Ate Panmoy. Mindset, mindset. Mindset, mindset. Tingin-tingin lang, tingin-tingin lang. Kahit may sale, huwag kang bibili. Ako yung konsensya, Ate Panmoy. Oh, orange color. So nice. Oh no, I like the orange color. So cute.